Massive revenue growth, but profits under pressure? Let's break down Jain Resource Recycling Q4 FY26 results quickly. Total income at 3114.66 crore, up 75.98% year-over-year and 12.01% QOQ. Top-line growth remains extremely strong. Expenses at 3,025.68 crore. Raw material cost alone at 2,918.80 crore. Input cost pressure is the key concern. EBITDA at 119.39 crore, up 15.66% YoY, but down 41.46% QOQ. Margin shrink to 3.83%. PBT at 88.74 crore, up 16.02% YoY, but sharply down 49.10% QOQ. Net profit at 66.03 crore, up 25.79% YoY, but down 47.70% QOQ. PAT margin at just 2.12%. EPS at 1.91, up 13.02% YoY, but steep sequential decline continues. Strong revenue growth, but margins under pressure. Raw material costs are hitting profitability. Capex of 15 crore approved for future growth. Subscribe for more quick stock breakdowns.
Subscribe for more. Disclaimer: this content is only for educational purposes and does not represent financial advice. Please consult your financial advisor before making any investment decision